In this video, we will see how you can use magazines to generate ideas for your niche sites. Why should you consider magazines? Well, if there's a magazine that's been around for a while, you can be pretty sure they are marketing to a specific niche. And if they are selling products to that niche and they are profitable, you can possibly do the same. This is magazines.com. From the menu at the top of the page, let's choose men's. On the left, you can see the categories: auto, fitness, outdoor, sports and athletics, weaponry. Each of these is a very broad category and can have lots of subcategories within them. Let's click on outdoor. We are now seeing a listing of magazines, and there are so many niche ideas here. You would want to note that subcategories like golf, skiing, and others are still too broad. But these are great as initial starting points. Once you find something that interests you, you can always go to Amazon or Google AdWords Keyword Planner to dig deeper and do further research on the topic. We will see how to do this in the keyword research section. Let's now take a look at all of the categories they have listed here on the site. Click on all categories. Now you see so many more categories. Click on Browse All Categories and you will see this huge list of categories. There are so many subcategories here, and for just about any of these, you will have thousands of products listed on Amazon. There are just so many good niche ideas right here. Click on a few of these and explore them further. As you can see, there's no dearth of niches. On the contrary, there's an overabundance of niche ideas, an inexhaustible supply of good potential niches.